Good morning, Mr. Massimo. It's simply, or simply, or simply, simply, or simply, or simply, or simply, or simply, or simply. David, buonanotte, David Lynch. It's October 31, so reading last day is October 2024, and it's Thursday. Here in Naples, once again totally clear sky and atmosphere in general, and at the moment it also seems to stay now. It's late morning, practically 11 and 25 and 30, 73 and 4 Fahrenheit, 23 Celsius, and 73 and 4 Fahrenheit, 23 Celsius. This means that it's really soft. This is beautiful. And soft, it's a classic adjective that I usually say for the autumn, but also spring period, since the story reports of their so, as a person I don't remember, I think nobody, because nobody which is, I suppose indeed, I'm sure, but I see I remember these things of the same, but it's also see that it's my purpose, the fact that the people shouldn't see or watch my videos. I recommend not recommend this, it's better not watch my videos. Alla fine noi studiamo identical operation, also for the winter and summer. In fact, for the winter is also adjective cold, for summer adjective. Hot source thesis also in these cases a classic adjective, and so they regard the English it's for me always something to say, nothing absolutely incomplete. I think this piece is good, considering the period here. Apart from last year, I didn't remember past years in autumn with this degrees. But I repeat, this is for me, I don't know if also for the other people, if you have the same sensations, judgments, or thoughts about this. Instead, about the today, I think I can say the same things, just it's beautiful. But it seems, if I can be feeling, in some feelings on this. Afternoon, practically in 30 minutes, I think it never will be so different from this. I repeat, as I just before, 73 and 45 and 23 Celsius. But the really important thing is atmosphere is at 10 As before today, those beautiful. Losgazing sociales, ottenere una meglio benefit attivismo di sun is behind from this hours, the sun is behind the policies, so yes, but until now, but considering the period and considering that we're going to Saturn from now and also considering change of hours, a few days ago, from now for other, we'll have them for other yes, 5 hours and 40 minutes, just comparison, but I'm facing a completely different schedule. Well, so sneeze, quindi new worst, so about to practically in 1 year now. No, since almost 2 years, tomorrow will be 2 years, so yes, since almost 2 years, also visible penetration, so always not visible, in fact, me, and not for me, always visible in this shot, not in general, for me, better visible in this shot, at this point is immediately general shot. As regarding your shooter, neither or being the mules. So soon as it is me, better visibility in this shot. As soon as it is, this one is immediately general shot. And finally, Roma Medial Keyboard GX 640 APG 625. As soon as it is, this immediately general shot. Va, getting on the people, for the person. Essere in getting dove sono prendendo sistema mia madre. Uso myself, pronunciate lo schifo. And finally I hope you will get the break. Sorry, I'm very tired. I can't think you can understand. Most of the year consecutive 3 years of the weather reports. Yes, November 10 will be 3 consecutive years. As read until now, today it's today it's slightly late. Early acquisition is slightly late. But early late ormai important but all important to far away from the record. A reaction less than 1963. It was a Saturday evening fucking breakfast. At the 15th anniversary, I can't believe it. I started with at the 15th and in part I remember that today as if it was yesterday, today or yesterday. And I think the record December, in fact December night was natural. Oh yeah, I beat today. Early slightly close, just from the minute. But the really important thing that you should remember is that it's me also today for the so I'm really hungry. And that's all we have to say. Breakfast is always one of the most ultimate life in the world. Absolutely. Alcio, tomorrow, I suppose, if I don't die. In fact, why I don't know what could will happen. We'll see.